Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the error with the error code 0x80888002 while trying to update Windows, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters. Corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter, click on Run. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components, and this has been explained over a separate article and video. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.